Chicken.
Okay. What do you want? You will stand there all night then?
I don't mind.
Okay. You stand up. Stick it out. Move your leg, move your leg, move your leg. No, he's not going to sleep here. Simple. I've already reported myself. Whatever is going to...
Hello guys and welcome back to your favorite channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Drama as Erica pours water on HoH bed as she stopped Prince from gaining access to the HoH lounge. Big Brother Naija housemate Erica on Sunday morning caused drama in the house. It all started after Erica confronted Prince for not taking her side while she hurled insults at Laycon. Erica expressed regret choosing Prince as deputy head of house, describing him as an asshole. She intentionally went to the HoH room, poured water on the bed in order for Prince not to sleep on the same bed with her. Erica further threatened Prince not to dare sleep on the bed with her, adding that she is ready to bear the consequences. This is against the house rules, as both head of house and deputy are meant to sleep on the same bed for the week. Erica said, "I poured water on one side of the bed and Prince wouldn't be able to sleep on it. I told Biggie I don't want to share the bed with Prince because he's an asshole. Don't dare sleep on this bed. You are two-faced." Meanwhile, Erica has 2 strikes and is on the verge of being disqualified following her recent behavior in the house. Guys, don't you think Erica will be disqualified today? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And also don't fail to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a new story drops.